expertise, this new feature will have a tremendous improvement to your productivity. Let's walk through a quick example. We begin by initiating the Ideate ViewCreator. We select the create from scratch method. We have the option to select a view type or view template to begin. And here we are selecting a 3D view. And now we can select one or more levels. And optionally, we can also select one or more scope boxes. Next, we have our view set to create, which means that a new 3D view will be made for each level multiplied by each selected scope box. Once all of our views have gotten created, now we have the ability to add a view name prefix with append. Additionally, we also have the option to use find and replace to manage and edit all of the names of our views, create sheets or create more views, or just click done and it's going to show us all of the views that we have created based on the levels, scope boxes, and the view templates that we have selected